I'm Coco from Rewrite Brochure. Today, I'm very excited to show you 4 Bontou Road, St. Ives.
Newly extended and transformed, this engaging home with exceptional privacy has been reborn into a luxury poolside oasis and relaxed family retreat. Thoughtfully crafted to capture the light from north to rear aspect, it's a stunning contemporary space with every luxury. High side in the quiet street with a split-level floor plan, it features a private lounge, expansive dining room, large family living, and a lavish stone melee kitchen. The floor plan flows around the central pool with expansive alfresco spaces and unique cedar sauna.
这座别墅位于幽静的街道，它优雅开阔，美丽大气，多个多功能客厅，每个客厅放眼出去都风景如画，置身其间如诗如画。它有5个卧室、3个洗手间、2个车位。它土地平整，后院北向，游泳池紧邻平整后花园，孩子嬉戏游玩的天堂。生活期间有如度假胜地，舒适悠闲。